Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own online store, now's the perfect time to make it happen. As Tony Robbins says, the only impossible journey is the one you never begin. So let's take that first step and walk through how to start a Shopify store in just a few simple steps. First, go to Shopify's website and click the Start Free Trial button. You'll be asked a few setup questions, which you can answer or skip. And then you'll enter your email, password, and a store name to create your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the admin panel where you can manage everything related to your store. Next, get familiar with the admin panel. Here, you'll find sections like orders to handle purchases, products to manage your inventory, customers to view and export client info, content to control what appears on your site, finances to track your revenue and expenses, analytics to monitor store performance, marketing to create campaigns, discounts for promo codes, and apps to extend your store's features. After that, it's time to choose your store's theme. By default, Shopify gives you one, but you can explore more by clicking Online Store and selecting Themes. Scroll through the free themes or visit the theme store to find one that fits your brand. Once you add it to your library, you can preview how it looks before making it live. Then, make sure your store is easy to navigate. Head over to the navigation section under Online Store in the admin panel. Here, you can edit the main menu, add footer links, and even create drop-down menus to organize your products and pages clearly for your visitors. Finally, it's time to add your products. Go to the Products tab and click Add Product. Give each item a name, description, images, pricing, and more. Hit Save, and just like that, your first product is live. And that's it. You've now set up the foundation of your very own Shopify store. With your theme chosen, navigation in place, and products added, you're ready to start selling online. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss more tips on building and growing your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.